Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for an affordable, fast, and beginner-friendly web hosting solution, then this Hostinger review is for you. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know: features, pricing, performance, and customer support, so you can decide if Hostinger is the right fit for your website. Let's start with the features. Hostinger offers a solid set of tools even on their basic plans. You get a free domain for the first year, a free SSL certificate, and automatic backups depending on your plan. Their custom-built H-panel is user-friendly, fast, and honestly a nice change from the traditional C-panel. It's clean, modern, and super intuitive. Plus, with WordPress-specific optimization, one-click installations, light-speed caching, and Cloudflare integration, managing your site is as easy as it gets. You'll also find tools like website migration, Git integration, and staging environments if you choose the higher tier plans. When it comes to pricing, Hostinger is hard to beat. Their shared hosting plans start as low as a few dollars per month if you commit to a longer-term plan. Even the most basic plan includes 24/7 support, a free SSL, and weekly backups. The premium and business plans unlock more resources, like double the storage and daily backups, and are still very affordable compared to other top providers. They also offer VPS and cloud hosting for those who need more power. The key is, you're getting a lot for what you pay, especially if you're building a site on a budget. Now let's talk performance. Hostinger uses Lightspeed web servers, which are known for their speed and efficiency. In real-world testing, websites hosted on Hostinger load quickly, typically under 2 seconds, depending on your setup. Their uptime is excellent, often averaging around 99.9% or higher, which is backed by their internal monitoring system. This level of performance is great for bloggers, small businesses, and even e-commerce websites. Plus, with data centers in multiple countries, including the US, UK, Asia, and Europe, you can choose a server location that's closest to your audience for even faster load times. What about customer support? Hostinger provides 24/7 support via live chat, and their response time is pretty fast, usually within a few minutes. The support agents are knowledgeable, polite, and helpful, though there's no phone support if that's something you prefer. On top of that, their knowledge base is packed with tutorials, guides, and troubleshooting tips, which is super helpful if you like figuring things out on your own. So, what's the verdict? Hostinger is an excellent choice for beginners and small to mid-size websites. With its affordable pricing, strong performance, feature-rich dashboard, and reliable support, it delivers incredible value for the money. Whether you're launching your first blog, setting up a portfolio, or building a business website, Hostinger makes the process smooth and budget-friendly. That's it for this Hostinger review. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more web hosting reviews and website tips. And if you're ready to give Hostinger a try, I've included a link with a special discount down below in the description. Thanks for watching.